Welcome to SmartWave Studio. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content.
Top 10 largest banks in the world. 2024 global banking in 2024 is dominated by bank holding corporations, ensuring stability and offering diverse financial services. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China Limited, with assets of $6.303 trillion, retained its place as the world's biggest bank as the Chinese megabanks occupied the top 4 positions. Agricultural Bank of China Limited overtook China Construction Bancorp to claim second place in what was the only change to the top 6 spots from a year ago. Bank of China Limited placed 4th. Agricultural Bank of China achieved loan growth of 14.5% in 2023 thanks to a national strategy to build a strong agricultural sector. China Construction Bank's loan growth was 12.6%. Overall, Chinese banks took 20 places in the ranking. Despite a downturn in the property sector, China's overall banking assets grew between 9.6% and 11.1% over 2023 before moderating to 8.9% in February 2024. According to data from the National Financial Regulatory Administration, 7 of the 8 Japanese banks on the list fell in the ranking. The lone exception was Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group, Inc., which maintained its place at number 13. India-based HDFC Bank Limited was a new entrant, landing in 74th position after its assets increased to $464.34 billion following a merger with its parent company. These banks wield massive assets impacting international finance. Top 5 banks in the world in 2024. Here's a deep dive into the largest banks in the world. Number 1, JP Morgan Chase total assets, $3.875 trillion. JP Morgan Chase is the largest U.S.-based bank and the 5th largest bank in the world in terms of total assets. It is a leading player in investment banking and financial services. As the Federal Reserve introduces its new instant payment service dubbed the FedNow system, JP Morgan is among the prominent financial institutions that have already adopted the system. Number 2, Bank of America. Total assets, $3.180 trillion. With a substantial investment banking, wealth management, and trading presence, Bank of America serves more than 68 million consumers and over 3 million small business clients. In terms of assets, Bank of America is the 2nd largest bank in the world and the 6th largest bank in the world. With $288.96 billion in market cap, Bank of America is one of the most valuable companies, ranking 33rd on the list. Number 3, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, ICBC total assets, $6.323 trillion. The Industrial and Commercial Bank of China Limited is the largest bank in both the People's Republic of China and the world when considering total assets. Among the biggest lenders in the world, ICBC continues to steadily remain near the top, along with the likes of the Bank of America. Number 4, the Agricultural Bank of China. Total assets, $5.640 trillion. The Agricultural Bank of China is the 2nd largest bank in the world in terms of total assets. It was founded in 1979. The latest financial reports state that the company's current earnings are $43.41 billion. The bank plays a crucial role in supporting China's agricultural sector and also operates in other parts of the globe, such as Asia Pacific, the Middle East, Europe, and the Americas. Number 5, Wells Fargo. Total assets, $1.886 trillion. The American Wells Fargo and Company offers financial services such as mortgage banking, equipment leasing, insurance agency, and more in about 35 countries. Along with 33 other banks and credit unions, Wells Fargo joined JP Morgan in integrating the FedNow system. Wells Fargo serves more than 70 million customers and is one of the top 5 banks in the United States.